Sampalaman Mary imakim habulong Bible, amito korsem man I believe na kisim baptize em by God kisim back em. Tasol man ino believe em by lose long coat. Mark 16:16. Now ito korsem lokim liklik pikinini nogat believe yet. Osem na maskelong giving baptized long call. Tasol tok belong call ino straight. Long Mark 16:16 Jesus emi tok long call big palaman Mary oli God believe. Man God believe suppose ikisim baptize yes God by kisim him. Back tasol suppose man ino kisim baptize iles long kisim baptize. Okay, kind man by lose long coat osem Bible itok. Lang dis palahap belong Bible Mark 16:16 Christ ino tok long call liklik pikinini nogat. Baptized long liklik pikinini emi something nara kind. You think kwanem? Jesus I come belong help him all big palaman meritasol? Nogat. Jesus I come belong help him all get a man marry all big pala now liklik one time. Emi like by all liklik pikinini too I come long kingdom belong God. Jesus ito korsem. You pala ilarim all pikinini come long me. You pala ino can pass him all nogat. Kingdom belong heaven and belong kind man all same this pala pikinini. Matthew chapter 19 verse 14. You misabe sin belong kadam ibagarapim all get a man marry. Big pala na liklik one time. Awesome Bible talk Rome chapter 5 verse 12 or chapter 5 verse 17. Sin belong kadam isabe pasimo liklik pikinini too long go long heaven. Awesome na igat one pala road so long help him all man marry na all pikinini. Igat one pala road so long make him all come up new pala again. This pala road emi baptize. Jesus yet itok. Suppose man ino come up new pala again long wara na long Holy Spirit emi no inapi go inside long kingdom belong God. John chapter 3 verse 5. One fashion belong come up new pala again. Jesus I show him yumi olsem. Amitok olsem. You pala baptize him all, long name belong Papa, na belong Pikinini, na belong Holy Spirit. Matthew chapter 28:19. Asem na baptize. Baptize emi road belong come up new pala again. All apostle is have a good true long talk belong Jesus. Now is have a given baptized long called Pikinini too. You may read him all same. Na emikisim baptize na all one house belong him. Apostle chapter 16 verse 15. All one house emi mean all man Mary stop long house all big pala na liklik one time. All number one like Christian all been harim school belong all apostle yet. Now is have a given baptized non call liklik pikini too. Man igat nem origin I dialog ya 254 ito korsem. Sios ikisim tradition belong all apostle yet. Now le given baptized non call liklik pikinini too long kwanem. Sin belong Adam istap long all gataman Mary. Now le mas rausimem long kwara na long Holy Spirit. One kind talk are palamani meki memi santu Hippolyte emi dialog ya 235. Amito korsem. Baptize them all pikinini pastime. Suppose all inap long tok. Alright, larem all yet long bekim top. Suppose all ino inap. Alright, papa mama or watch papa imas bekim tok. Long time belong kol apostoliet, na go in aplonkia 300 something, he got close to 200 all book na paper, all schooling yumi long fashion belong giving baptize long all lik pikinini. Osem husat man Mary sabe tok maskelong baptism lik pikinini kain tok inostret. Emi tok belong mantasol. Tok nothing belong mantasol. God he make him nara kain tok. God he like. By emi too baptize him all lik pikinini. Naikat pala tok holsem. Suppose mama he look him lik pikinini belong kem. He got sick. Mama want to kiss him pikinini. He go long doctor long house sick. Belong right in pikinini. Maski pikinini no got think yet. And walk belong mama long making walk wholesome by sick belong body belong pikinini finish. One kind. He got sick, he stop long soul belong pikinini. This pala sick and me sin belong Adam. Wholesome na one kind fashion mama I must make him. He must kiss him pikinini long pater na ask him pater long baptize him pikinini belong raus him this pala sick long soul belong pikinini belong raus him sin belong Adam he stop long soul belong pikinini. Mama I must look out in good body na soul belong pikinini belong him one time.